Yo, what's up, y'all? Today we're gonna be teaching y'all some basketball tips on how to have good dribbles and shoot good at a very young age, just like me at like 9 years old or something. Sorry, I put down my basketball. I didn't know where it is. Oh, here. Thing is you need like basketball. You don't need much time to grasp ball. You need a little bit. So for something basic, you can do something like fake the pass, quickly do that. Sometimes that could be some points, and if it was in a game, it would look like this. Let me turn the camera. It would look like this in the game. You're probably wondering, wouldn't that be a travel? It would be a travel, but secret. That's when we feel like street ball or something. But here's an actual game. Just do this. Yeah, you actually make it. Because I messed this up. If you want to become good at shooting, one thing to practice. Move you all back over. That's for you. About like, did you get your form good? Then when you go back, and it's like this. Like this. But it actually goes in. You want the basketball to spin like that. And then if you want to get your dribbling good, first practice getting a good balance. And when you get like a good balance of it, going up and down, try one-handed crossovers, like this. And then when you get that good, try a two-handed crossover. And by that point, if you really are good, you can try it behind the back, or you can try it underneath the legs. Wait, I messed that one up. Sorry. Dang. Wind. What's that? But it hits my foot every time because I have small legs. So it's hard for me to do that. I can do it, but see right there, I did it. So there we go. Free throws, which is about a mid-range shot. I didn't practice before warming up. I didn't practice before doing the video. So I was wondering what I just did it. the NBA one day. Don't get these balls. Get the NBA balls. That's some tips and tricks for basketball. One more thing. There's multiple things. You're allowed to create moves, but you can't pick the ball up. You can't do this with it, or you can't do this. You can't do a carry. One of my moves I taught myself was this. Was like that. You get those stuff faster? This is how shooting can go wherever you want. Those are some basketball tips and tricks that you can learn. See you on the next vid.